Team, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful prime rib roast on our Ninja Woodfire Grill, and we're throwing a couple baked potatoes in there with it. Stick around. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. So glad you're here. Guys, we got a nice, wonderful dish for you today. We have a beautiful prime rib roast, and we're putting it on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. We're also throwing a few baked potatoes on there because we got the room, and who doesn't love some meat and potatoes, right? All right, so what we've done so far is I'll have to take you back to last night. We had to prep this roast. So this is about a 6-pound, 2-bone roast, okay? Now I went ahead and sliced the bones off because with the height restrictions that we have in the Woodfire Grill, it was a little too thick on there, right? The best thing for us to do was slice off the bones, right? And we'll cook those, we'll season them up, we'll put them aside. But the next thing we got to do is take off that heavy duty fat and silver skin on the top of the roast. So that's what I've already done that. I already sliced that off, put it to the side. So what we have here are 3 separate spots here. We got our trimmings, the bones, and the actual roast. The next step we're going to do is season this roast. We have a simple blend of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little dried rosemary. Got that all mixed up and then sprinkled all over the roast, okay? And I liberally season this roast all the way around, side, back, front, side to side, dipping low. Anyway, so we got it nice and seasoned up, and then we put it in the refrigerator overnight, uncovered, let it dry brine is what you call it, and just let all those seasonings pull out the moisture and soak in the flavor, okay? And that brings us out here today. We're gonna get this thing fired up. We're gonna get it on the Woodfire Grill. I got a couple baked potatoes we're throwing on there because we got the room. So I'm gonna show you how we set that up too. We're going to smoke these at 250, about 120, 125 internal in the thickest part. I'm gonna pull it off, let it rest, call it a day. With checking these temperatures, I have my Temp Spike Bluetooth thermometer, wireless thermometer in there. All right, so I'll be tracking it from my phone, and we'll make sure these are done to perfection, okay? If you guys want a link to the wireless thermometer, that Temp Spike, I'll have a link down below. There's a coupon code on there, save you a little bit of cash. Other than that, we're ready to roll, okay? Before we get that wood fire fired up, I need you guys to hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Why don't you hit that thumbs up too, and comment down below and say hi to CJ down below, all right? Come on back. Time to get the potatoes prepped in there. I'm gonna take out our anger issues on them with a fork, give them a couple pops, get them greased up with a little of that olive oil. Give it a nice rub down. I'm gonna take our kosher salt, get them nice and seasoned up. Let's get those pellets in. Get that roast on. Get those baked potatoes on. Shut that bad boy down. We're turning to the smoker setting. We're going 250. Hit start. Get that wood fire flavor flowing. All right, team, it's nothing but a waiting game right now. We'll let this, like I said, go to about 120, 125 internal. We'll let it rest for a good 20, 30 minutes, covered in tin foil. I'm not gonna do any kind of sear on this. We're just going for a nice smoked roast, okay? But when we pull it off, the resting period is all we gotta do. We'll slice into it, it'll be money. And those potatoes will be done right about the same time, okay? Those potatoes are cooking kind of low and slow right along with that roast. So if I plan this out right, and that's a big if, we should be good to go, all right? Be able to cut in those potatoes, have a nice baked potato with a nice slab of prime rib, baby. All right, stick around. That smoke is rolling, let's go. Get that roast off. Gonna let it take a little nap. All right, time to slice into this hunk of meat. Take a look. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. Got our perfectly baked potatoes on there too. And of course, don't forget your salad. All right, team, we're done. This smells amazing, looks amazing. I'm gonna tell you right now, before I even tried it, it's amazing. Make sure you guys give us a try. Right now, I cut off a little bit of the rib cap, the spinalis. You know what's my favorite part? So good. Get some of that baked potato. Yeah. Y'all, that's a meal made in heaven. All right, perfect smoked flavor on there. Not too much, just enough. Great seasonings because we let it dry brown overnight, right? Potatoes got a nice little smoky vibe to them too, with that good salt and olive oil on the outside. Oh, so good. A lot of butter. That's good enough for me. Salt, pepper, butter. Not a better baked potato out there. All right, guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Woodfire grills, I'll have a link down below. It's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anything more to use. In fact, there's a little bit of cash off with the code down below. All right. If you want to get anything I've used in my videos, the temp spike, knives, cutting boards, cameras, whatever, links are all down below. If you want to become a show producer like all these lovely people scrolling across the screen right now, people who love a good smoked prime rib, I mean, but who doesn't? Hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. Other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.